Causeway Court is a retirement complex at the heart of Kinross, easily accessible to the town centre and a short walk to the lovely Loch Leven. Retirement housing is independent living with the added benefit of on-site support. Tenants and Families have the peace of mind that there's a housing support officer on duty Monday to Friday from 8:30 in the morning to 12:30 in the afternoon to assist with any issues which may arise. Here at Causeway Court, we have 23 flats in total over 2 floors, 18 one-bedroom and 5 studio flats. The building is fully accessible with ramps at both entrances and lift access to the first floor. The access to the complex is via a secure door entry system. Each property has an alarm system in place with pull cords that can be used in the event of an emergency. Assistance is available 24 hours a day from the community alarm team. Causeway Court has a lovely communal lounge which we use for social events. The lounge is well attended for a variety of gatherings such as bingo, concerts, chair-based exercise classes and coffee mornings. There is also an extra seat area upstairs which can be used to have a chat or just to relax reading a book. We have a communal laundry facility on the first floor with 2 washing machines and 2 dryers. Outside, we have a communal garden which is easily accessed from the back door. There are several benches which tenants use to sit and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. From the back of the building, you can find a lovely walking path that takes you to Loch Leven. The building has an on-site parking for tenants and visitors, as well as 2 scooter pods that are available for rental from the council. If you need more information about our housing options for older people, please visit www.pkc.gov.uk/sheltered housing.